Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be presenting you this afternoon a fresh new programming language. It's called Dart. I mean Dart programming language, and I have already prepared some lessons to present you in both Turkish and English, and this is gonna be the English version. So in order to present you these example files, example code snippets, I'll be using ECLIPSE IDE environment. And without wasting any time, I'd like to show you Dart icon, Dart symbol, and start with the examples. Okay, this is the Dart symbol, and this is my cat Can, and this is myself. In this channel we will be watching my modern programming language videos, and this time I start with a fresh new one, Dart, and right away I'd like to start up our lessons. Okay, just as I said, I will use ECLIPSE IDE environment. Actually, just a few days ago, I updated my ECLIPSE IDE environment. So it is version for 2020 of March version. And here, let's start with the first Dart file. As usual, I will be presenting you a Hello World, traditional Hello World example. In this example, you will be seeing main method, and it returns no value. I will be explaining the real meaning of this one after a few lessons. And this is curly brackets, just as you can see. Curly brackets mean that all things within these curly brackets will be performed by the interpreter. Okay, so what I say here, I order computer's interpreter that you will invoke print command, and that print command will accept this argument, this parameter. Merhaba Dünya, or in English version, Hello World. And after recalling print method, you have to use semicolon. This is some sign in order to say the computer that I completed this command. This is for Turkish version. This is English version. Let me run this file. Okay. And here we see the first line that's displayed on the screen, Merhaba Dünya, that means Hello World, and at the second line, Hello World will be printed. And let me show you another example, you guys. And here, just I use a string variable that includes alphanumeric values. It's called greet, and I here assign to greet this string Hello Dart World. And after this semicolon, the computer understands that I have to create a variable, a string type variable, and after that line I have to assign these string characters, these bytes, into this variable greet. And line by line we're going with this one, and print command is invoked here. And what is the argument for print command? Greet, our variable, string variable. And our commands comes to an end here. This is indicated by this curly bracket, closing curly bracket. And when I run this file once again, this time Hello Dart World is printed on the screen because we have assigned a variable greet, so as to include these words, and this is displayed as it is. And what about the next example? Okay, just here I give and I assign a name so as to be string. Okay, so as to be string. just to be sure about that. And this string variable will include my full name, Hasan Zeki Alp. Yes. And here I assign another variable here. This time that seems as if a number, a numeric, however, just on purpose I assign it as string, okay, and I place these quotation marks in order to indicate that this is a string, not a number, not a figure. And here I invoke our print method, and I use this parameter, okay, up to this place. And this is string, okay, or other saying, it contains alphanumeric characters, and use this operand operator, plus operator, and use name. Name is a string type, and that means Hasan Zeki Alp. And I here once again I repeat, I re-invoke print command once again, and here I say that my age is, and this is the quotation mark, and this is the explanation, and use this operator, plus operator, once again, so as to concatenate these two strings, and I use this variable, string variable, once again, age, and okay. After that, I once again define another variable, her age, and it's gonna be constant. That means it's gonna be a numeric value that cannot be changed its value. That's gonna be 50. And here I invoke print method once again with this parameter, her age, and when I run these three code snippet, okay, my name is Hasan Zeki Alp is displayed due to this command, okay. How about the next one? My age is 60, is okay, there is no brackets here, or there is no quotation mark, just you can notice this. And how about the third line? Okay, here I simply print her age, and it is printed on the screen as 50. And how about next example? I here define an integer and stands for any number, 125, 125. And here once again I assign a name variable so as to include my full name, and I simply print and means 125, and after that just as you can see, I repeat print in another line, so that means there will be one line, two lines, and three lines. Okay, name is my full name, and this is the text given name. Just I can say that the given name is and it is printed as three lines. Okay, 125, Hasan Zeki Alp, given name is Hasan Zeki Alp. Okay, let me show you another example here. Here once again within the effect of these curly brackets, we have to make it perform to these four lines. At first line, I once again assign a name string, Hasan Zeki Alp, and I assign my age as 60. And here I decide to print out the whole bunch of this data, name, surname. This is under the quotation marks, and plus name. Name is still string type. Okay, plus, and once again, just to look here. Okay, This stands for \n, stands for leaving an empty line, you guys, or just going another new line, end of line. That means end of line. And my age is, and just focus on this notation, you guys. $sign and curly brackets, within curly brackets, age, the variable age. That means age will be a numeric value. Okay, that's translated it like this, and open parenthesis and semicolon. And once again, I want to make it printed this text. Okay, all together, all of them. Her age is, and once again I use a $sign and this curly brackets, age minus 9. Age means my age, in fact, 60 minus 9, that means 59. So when I run this code snippet, surname Hasan Zekat will be printed, and my age 60 will be printed, and her age will be printed as 51. And how about file 5? This time just I would like to show you an example of a function calling or a function invoking. I here define a function test, so it's gonna accept an argument a, and this is the arrowhead function. Arrowhead function means that the right side will be performed as a function of dependent variable. What is our dependent variable? A is our dependent variable. So just I would like to recall, I would like to invoke this function within my main method. Just focus on here, from starting here and all up to here, and I recall the first time, test function, test method, and by using numbers 0, and here by using null, and here by using number 2, and by using character a. So just I wonder if how it will be displayed on the screen, and okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I invoke 4 times our method test, 4 times. At the first time I use 0 as argument. Okay, the next time null, and the third time 2, and the fourth time a, and without any quotation marks, it's printed on the screen just as it is recalled by this function. Okay, you guys, so far I have presented you 5 okay, I have presented you 5 code snippets, and without uploading time restriction, I have to make it short, this video courses. If you like this course, you can subscribe to my channel, so you can automatically be informed about my new videos that I have already installed. I have already uploaded to YouTube. And thanks for your time, and thanks for your sharing time with me. I wish you a nice evening, and I wish you a healthy evening. Bye bye.